Hi, grade one. Welcome back. Last writer's workshop, we practiced retelling a story using pictures. I retold the fairy tale Cinderella. My pictures show some of the main parts of the story. So here you will see a picture of some cleaning supplies because Cinderella lived with her evil stepmother and stepsisters, and they treated her like a maid or someone who had to clean up after them. My next picture was a picture of an invitation to the ball and Cinderella feeling kind of sad because she couldn't go. My next picture was a picture of the carriage because her fairy godmother turned her into a beautiful princess and turned a pumpkin into a carriage. Down here we have Cinderella meeting her prince and falling in love. And my last picture was a picture of a shoe because the prince used Cinderella's missing shoe to find her so that they could live happily ever after. Today, I'm going to add words to my pictures. I am going to pay close attention to capital and lowercase letters, where my letters belong on the lines or in the house, and making sure I have nice big meatball spaces between each word. For my first picture, I am going to write, Cinderella is treated badly. Now, when I am writing, I need to start my sentence with a capital letter, a big letter. You will notice that all of my letters that belong on the main floor of the house fit nicely in between the bottom line and the middle dotted line of my writing paper. You'll also notice that my letters that go upstairs, like my D's and my L's, they go from the top line all the way to the bottom. They touch both. And my letters, such as a Y, that go into the basement, only go about halfway to the next line. Next, I am going to write, starting with a capital letter, she cannot go to the ball. I've ended this sentence with a period and I have started with a capital letter. You will notice that in my sentence, I don't have any other capital letters. The only place they belong is at the beginning and if I have a name. Next, I'm going to write her fairy godmother helps her. Again, I start with a capital letter and keep the rest of my letters lowercase. And next, I'm going to write she meets her prince. You will notice in this one, I made sure to add nice big spaces between each of my words so you know when one word ends and another begins. And for my last sentence, I am going to write, they, starting with a capital letter, live happily ever after. Now what I would like you to do is I would like you to add words to the pictures that you drew for Goldilocks earlier in the week. I'm really excited to see what you come up with. I can't wait to see your retelling of Goldilocks. And I would really, really like you this lesson or this assignment to focus on your capital letters at the beginning and for names only, periods at the end. I would like you to make sure that letters like L's and D's and T's go from the top to the bottom, take up the whole house, and your other letters fit kind of on that main floor there. Please make sure you have a period at the end of your sentence and you have nice spaces between each word. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Bye-bye.